What's up, guys? It's Alec Alec. Today we're playing the Radio Tower. I know, just a random game I found on itch.io and I thought I'd give it a try. Let's get right into it. Made by
Hey,
Sega.
Johnny! Sorry for the short notice, but we really need communication in that area restored as soon as possible.
Don't worry, boss. You're paying
That shit is loud.
me triple the usual, so I'll be quick.
That's the spirit. Just remember, the
Just-
tower is right on the edge of the evacuation zone, so lay low, alright?
Hey everyone, this is Manly Bandit.
Right. Let's fix this radio tower. I gotta turn my sensitivity. Ooh. That's bad. Good enough. Grab the tool belt. Go. Get on the ladder. What the hell? There we go. Ooh. Coming up. Wait a minute. Sorry, dude. Not the kitty! No! That's fine. Grab this. I feel like it's self-explanatory. We'll see. There we go. Good as new. I'm just wrecking this whole radio tower. Goodbye. You can sprint up the ladder, nice. Grab you. Ooh! Well. Good try. There we go. I feel like you need a little more safety precaution. Like, I'm literally just hanging on by my hands. I don't know how much I trust that, honestly. You see that? Must have been the wind. Hello? What the fuck? Oh my god, I'm fat. I'm fat! Go, 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 go! Go on, keep going, keep going, keep going. I'm dead. Well, oh. That hurt. Let's try that again. Get that shit ready. Boom. That's one. Get up a little bit. Climb, 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 climb. Oh, shit. Come on, come on, come on, dude. Please. Almost there. My god, I cannot climb that fast at all. Holy shit! Holy shit, bro, come on! Almost there. Looks like I managed to escape. I just went up a fucking ladder, bro. Connect these. We're out. How big is this fucking... Oh shit. See why this bitch is on quarantine now. Oh, we're fucked. Joni! Working on it. I guess we'll go towards the company. Boom. They're gonna nuke that bitch. Damn. Maybe I live. Oh. Never mind.
Thanks to the sacrifice of a brave worker fixing the only radio tower connecting Crimson Pine City, the company could act quickly and
Save the day.
cleanly. Now we are continuing with the usual process.
Oh. Let's see what the under ending does. Oh, hell no, bro. Alright, let's see what happens. I'm out of here. Helpless decision. Sorry, I don't want to die.
6 months after the virus started spreading, today, humanity's last hope, the Greenland Fortress, has fallen. The vaccine research has completely halted. We advise that you stay close to your loved ones and enjoy the end, peacefully. This is all from me today, and remember,
Damn.
stay strong and lay low.
We really fucked the world. Alright, and that was the radio tower. Pretty short, honestly, but and not really scary at all, but it was a cool little game. Like the pixels. Anyways, see you guys in the next one.